And I didn't do anything. I didn't run. I was just sitting here and just looking. Everything was shaking and people were running from here to there. All the tourists, they were crying. They were hugging with each other. They were just crying. I just saw that much. I was senseless.
Prepare is most important now, first, and to prepare the new building it's necessary in this village. There is tentatively 500 students study now in this school of this big area. So it is most necessary to repair the buildings, and new building construction is most important.
Thank you so very much to everyone who opened their heart to help Nepalese people in trouble of earthquake. Personally from San Nepal and from people of Nepal, we would like to extend our thank and sincere thank for every donations and every people from Muslim charity and anyone individually, and we are looking forward to continued support for Nepal victim. It really has helped a lot for we Nepalese people to come out of our trouble, and once again I would like to thank so very much.
Fazlul Karim from Muslim Charity here in Nepal. A very big thank you to everyone who have supported us, donated us during our live Upload channels for Nepal. Muslim Charity is active on the ground. So far we have been distributing food, tents and medicine to the affected people, and we will continue doing it. At the same time, we are trying to make the long-term plan. We have done our assessment already for helping the victim with full rehabilitation program. We are trying to rebuild the schools. We are trying to rebuild the clinics that are destroyed by the earthquake. So please keep donating, keep supporting us, and keep praying for us so that we can continue our good works on your behalf. Thank you.